Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Tarte Glowtion Skin Perfector. And this is one of the products that I was most excited to get in my September 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box, which if you have not seen my unboxing video of that yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But I love Tarte and I love glowing skin. So this is a product that I've been wanting to try out. So I'm so excited that I got it in Boxycharm. It retails for $32, which is kind of pricey for a product, although it does have a lot of multi-purposes, so it could be worth that price point. But I got it for such an amazing deal in my $35 Boxycharm Premium Box. It says it helps to even skin tone and smooth texture, hydrate, brighten, and blur imperfections, and improve the look of foundation. So I am going to try this out, of course, on my bare skin right now, but also under foundation to see if it really does give some glow to my foundation. It's also cruelty-free, vegan. It's a clean at Sephora type of product. And it has beneficial ingredients in it as well, which I love when my makeup has beneficial skincare ingredients in it as well, because if I'm gonna be putting on my face, I'd like for it to have some additional benefits. So this has niacinamide, prickly pear, birch tree water, ceramides, vegan squalane, and marine plant extracts. So those sound like a lot of nourishing ingredients. All right, and so it has a little squeezy tube packaging, and yeah, it's interesting. It looks like it's got like a tint or color to it because it's like a beige color. So I am just going to apply this to half of my face and we will compare how my skin looks with it versus without it. And I mean, not to brag, but this is my skin without any foundation on it. And I even just rinsed my skin off because I'm like, wow, my skin is looking very glowy right now. I'm about to go put on a Glowtion. I want my skin to have added glow. But even with like me literally having nothing on my skin right now, my skin's got a glow to it. And I think that's all thanks to skincare, maybe a little bit of a healthier lifestyle as I'm trying to drink more water and eat my vegan meal plan. But like, I'm really proud of how my natural skin is looking. But of course I want to add even more glow, and this Glowtion is giving it. It definitely does have the texture of a lotion, kind of like a thin lotion, but very easy to blend out on the skin. And it absolutely gives that glow. It gives sheen without any glitter, shimmer, sparkle, which is definitely what I prefer for skin. I want it to have shine glow rather than sparkle glow, unless it's for like a highlight for nighttime. But I definitely prefer the natural sheen glow. And there is no denying how much glow that gives the skin. So without it, with it, it almost, for my skin, is giving a greasy appearance since it is so glowy. And I don't even think I put too much on. So if you are someone with greasy skin, I don't imagine you would like this very much because it just kind of makes me feel like I need to blot my skin. But if you have dry skin, I think you would love this. And it definitely gives a smooth appearance to my skin. And then as far as the blurring, I think it does kind of help to blur the large pores that I have on my cheeks and my nose. But like the redness in my cheeks doesn't really seem to be improved. When I was looking at the pictures on the Sephora website, it looked like it was adding like a tint of color pretty much to people, but this didn't really like change my skin tone at all. It just added that layer of shine, which looks so smooth and hydrating. So if my skin is very dry, I think this would be a great product for me to wear alone. But for my more like combination skin, I think that this is a little bit too shiny, greasy looking for my personal preference, that I would prefer to put foundation on top of it. So I'm really excited to try this out with my LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation, because this foundation is the foundation that I have been trying out all of my primers with lately, and it will be matte without a glowy primer underneath, but with a great glowing primer, this foundation can look so beautiful and glowy. So I really hope that's what I can achieve with this today. So first I am just going ahead and applying it onto the side of my face without the Glowtion, so that we can have something to compare it to, and so that I'm not mixing any Glowtion in with the foundation. But even alone, this is a beautiful foundation that I highly recommend. It's so inexpensive. I forget the exact price, but I would think like around $5. I got it at Dollar General, and I have been loving it and wearing it a lot. But so here on the side of my face, without the primer, the skin is definitely matte. And I feel like it just looks a little bit less natural on my skin when it is so matte. And like I was saying, I just prefer a shine, a glow, a youthful radiance to the skin. So let's go ahead and see if I can achieve that with the Glowtion. No issues blending out the foundation on top of the Glowtion. Seems to still be sticking on perfectly fine. Oh wow, I am definitely noticing more shine on the side of my face with the Glowtion though, which looks so good. Wow, I can definitely see so much more shine on the side of my face with the Glowtion. Look at that. You can still see so much glow, sheen, and radiance in my makeup versus without it. Much more mattified. It kind of looks like I took a setting powder to this side of my face only compared to this one here. So I just think that the side of the face with the Glowtion with a little bit more sheen to it looks so much more natural and a lot more youthful. Like if I was just looking at like my cheeks or something, this side looks years older than this skin over here because of that shine and radiance to it. So crazy how that happens. But wow, I love this Glowtion glow underneath the foundation. It's not looking at all too greasy or shiny like it was looking without the foundation. So really an amazing combination that I will definitely continue to do. You know, if this Glowtion had SPF in it, it would be perfect. I am currently using a face moisturizer from the brand Tula, I believe, and it's in a yellow squeezy tube, and it has glow to it that looks like this, but a little bit less shiny. It's amazing, but it has great SPF to it. So if I had some SPF in this Glowtion from Tarte and it had that shine, the Skin Perfector qualities, it would be so perfect. If you know of any great like sunscreen Glowtion type products, let me know in the comments down below, because that is just truly what I'm looking for. It hits all of the boxes of what I want in my skincare and for how I want my skin to look. But still, like, this side of my face with the Glowtion is ideal how I want my skin to look. I'm so happy with the finished results. So also let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on the Tarte C Glowtion Skin Perfector, if you've tried it out as well. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.